Hello, my name is Eric Larson. I'm owner and chief engineer of Art of Mass Production, an engineering consulting company in San Diego, California. The seminar we'll be talking about is fundamentals of plastic material selection. I've been working in plastics for over 4 decades now. And one of the things that I have found is that selecting materials is overlooked. It's often postponed to the very last moment. And then even then, it's not done very well. So we'll be talking about some methodologies, how to read plastic data sheets, how to interpret data sheets, and most importantly, how to find the right data for a given application. One of the common issues that companies have is what I would call a field of expertise in a given technology. And when they're trying to implement new materials, that technology, that material technology is outside of their realm. And they don't know where to look, they don't know where to go, they don't know how to evaluate those materials, and they end up spinning their wheels, trial and error, trial and error, trial and error. For individuals, finding data is a challenge, but also getting comparable data. Resin supplier A will put their material, their best property data forward on a data sheet. Resin supplier B will put their best property data. And you're not always comparing data A to data B. Is it the same test? So you're doing a apples to oranges comparison. It can be very difficult to do that. They will be able to come back and be able to evaluate property data. That's the biggest and most important thing. Plastic property material data, understand it, interpret it, and apply it to your application. You'll be able to evaluate materials based not just on property data, but also on cost, material cost, processing costs, secondary finishing costs, a total manufacturing cost. And third, you'll be able to write an effective material specification. You can register on 4spe.org. We'll see you on May 20th.